Last Tuesday, I posted 7 pieces of content. My face, my voice, my words across Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and X. I didn't film any of them. Recently, I hit 178,000 followers on Instagram, 80,000 subscribers on YouTube, over 300,000 followers across my network. I was completely burned out. Not because the content wasn't working. It was. The problem was I'd become a content factory. Film Monday, edit Tuesday, post Wednesday. I was showing up every day, but I wasn't building anything. So I built a system. Now I post up to 14 times a week while I focus on what actually matters. Look at this. People ask how I post high quality content every day without burning out. ChatGPT lovers in India. Starting November 4th, OpenAI is giving ChatGPT Go. Can you tell me which one is AI and which one is me? Some of you might have noticed which one is AI, but most of the people won't even notice because it's 95% close. I'm using two main tools here. HeyGen for avatar video and ElevenLabs for audio. Now you can directly clone your voice in HeyGen, but if you want the most realistic and natural sounding voice clone, then you have to go to ElevenLabs. I was genuinely surprised how good the professional voice clone turned out. I'll make a dedicated video on how to properly clone your voice and how to properly clone your video in the future videos. But for now, let me show you how these tools fit in my content workflow. Step 1, script creation. It starts with a rant. I'll just talk through whatever topic I want to cover, raw and unfiltered. Then I run it through Claude because Claude is best for writing and more natural tone, and after that I keep polishing them until I get the best result. Step 2, voice generation. Once the script is ready, I paste the whole script into ElevenLabs. Here is the exact settings I use. Speed will be 1.10 to 1.15 depending on the content. Stability will be 60%, similarity will be 75%, and style exaggeration will be 15%. A quick tip, if you push the exaggeration value to more than 30-40%, then the voice will sound over the top. I just want it to be subtle, so I'm keeping it to 15%. For training my voice clone, I recorded about 30 minutes of studio quality audio and uploaded to the model. It takes about 2 to 6 hours depending on your audio quality and the duration, but the result is worth it. Step 3, audio cleanup. After generating the audio, I'll download it and export it to my editing software. Here, I clean it up. I'll remove silences, adjust pacing, maybe speeding up some certain sections. Then I export the final audio file. Step 4, here comes the video generation part. Now I'll go to HeyGen. I create a new project and go to the studio, and I'll upload my audio file. HeyGen automatically transcribes everything. From there, I just hit generate. Actually, as I told you before, HeyGen does have an option to clone your voice, but it doesn't sound realistic. And also it supports ElevenLabs API. You can just connect the API and use your professional voice clone in HeyGen itself. But actually using it with the API and using it with the ElevenLabs itself, there is quite a bit of difference. Like, it's negligible, but if you want more control over your audio, then you have to go and generate in the ElevenLabs itself. But there is an option, so it does the job. But if you don't want to do all those things and skip the ElevenLabs part, you can directly do it here itself. This video generation takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your duration. Once it's done, I'll again export it to my editing workflow. Step 5 comes the final editing part. And here you might say there is already a lot of manual work going on. Yes, there is still manual editing involved here. B-rolls, effects, animations, transitions, everything. No AI tool right now can generate fully polished video with all those transitions, B-rolls and stuff. And honestly, I don't think that's changing anytime soon. Not this year, probably not next year either. But here is the thing. Editing is where I apply my own taste to the video. That's what makes it mine. So I actually prefer that control. Now once all the editing part is done, I'll export the final video. Now here comes the time-saving part. Before this workflow, recording, editing, scripting, all these things takes about 1 to 2 hours per video. Now with daily posting, now this saves me up to 14 hours per week. That's huge. And more time to focus on things that actually grow the business. Not only this, I built an N8N workflow where we just need to send our voice, the rant, through the Telegram, and it gives the ultra polished script. It transcribes the audio, researches it, and writes a video ready script. If you want me to break that down in the future video, let me know in the comments. And also I'll try to make videos on how to set up HeyGen, how to set up ElevenLabs for best audio. If you really want them, let me know in the comments. If you want to post content almost daily without being on camera, click the link in below and book a free strategy call. And if this video was helpful, like and share it with your friends. Subscribe for upcoming AI content, and thanks for watching.